Hey everyone, Luther here with Bonafide Kayaks. In this video, we're going to talk about the DryPod. So the DryPod is designed to give you dry storage for casual water conditions. It's not made to be submersible, but if you get water over the side of the kayak, you get some casual water, you don't have to worry about whatever's inside there getting wet. To open the DryPod, you've got these nice little cammed latches on the side. They're going to give you the downward pressure to compress that gasket, and that's what makes it dry. We open the DryPod up. You can see we've got ample room for storage on the inside. And then under the lid, you get into some of the other functionality, which is the ability to convert this thing into a platform for mounting your fish finder. So you can put your battery inside. It's even got a nice little tub in the middle that most batteries will fit into. And then underneath the lid, you've got hole spots already made for Lowrance and Raymarine fish finders to make it really easy to drill those holes where they need to be. And of course, it's a solid lid, so you can also just kind of go to town. Anything you want to rig on here and attach, you can drill right through it, make a waterproof connection, and you're good to go. The other thing that's really cool about the DryPod is it's hingeable. So we can release the strap and we can flip this thing up out of the way. So if you get in some weeds, it gets hung on your transducer, whatever, you need to get to it for some reason, there you go. And also, you've got this nice big open scupper here. It's a great place for a nature call if you got to do that too. And then if you want to remove the pod for any reason, let's just say you don't want to leave your $2,000 electronics outside while you go in the house or when you're parked at a gas station. You got this nice little carry handle here. It comes right out. You can take it, stick it inside your truck, whatever you want to do. So that's a little bit about the DryPod. To learn more about gear storage, the DryPod, and tackle management on this kayak, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got a lot of other videos on those topics.